It can be a little confusing when looking at multiple exponent rules going on at the same time. What do you do first? It can be tempting to want to cancel out a terms on the top and the bottom when we see that fraction. Or do we multiply them on the top? Let's take a look at the order that is necessary to simplify this expression. First, we need to get rid of these parentheses. These parentheses are caused by the exponent on the outside. So we need to give the exponent to everything inside the parenthesis. When we do that, we have 2 to the third power times a squared raised to the third power. Then when we share this one, that gives us 5 squared times a squared. On the bottom, we're going to do the same thing, being sure to give the exponent outside the parenthesis to all of the terms inside the parenthesis. So we have 3 to the second power, a cubed to the second power. Now we can simplify a little bit by saying that 2 to the third power is 8. A squared to the third power is evaluated by multiplying those exponents. A squared, 2 times 3, gives me a to the sixth power. Similarly, 5 squared is 25. And a squared didn't really need simplification because we only had a exponent of 1 inside there. On the bottom, 3 squared is 9. And we again multiply these exponents. A to the third to the second power becomes a to the sixth power. From here, there's a couple of different ways to look at simplification. You can combine the top terms, a to the sixth, a to the second, a squared, by adding the exponents, that's a to the eighth, and then multiplying 8 times 25 is 400. On the bottom, we have 9a to the sixth power. This can be simplified looking at these a terms by subtracting exponents. A to the eighth over a to the sixth is a squared, as 8 minus 6 is 2. If you look at our whole numbers, 400 over 9, there's actually no common factors between 400 and 9, so we actually cannot simplify these. Another method of looking at simplification of this term right here is realizing we have an a to the sixth on the top and the bottom and canceling them out before combining the a terms on top. Either one's going to leave you to the same conclusion. There's an a squared left on top, and then we simplify our numeric values.